Hi, it's Dan here from Flexxable, and today I'm going to show you our any niche AI bot and how you can use it to land clients in any niche. Let's dive in. Okay, so when we started selling AI solutions to our clients, we would have to build a demo for each individual niche that we went after and kind of hope that we didn't have to go into too many niches, because if we did, we had a lot of work on our hands. But the funny thing is that AI is moving so fast and we're able to do some really cool stuff with it. So off the back of this problem, we created a solution, and it's called we call it an Android rather than an AI bot. We call it the Any Niche Android. It allows a client, a potential client in any niche, to opt in, to be able to go back and forth and engage with our AI bot and then send them to a call to action to book a call or whatever afterwards. It's a really cool little tool we've created. And in today's video, I'm going to get my tech guy, Graham, to show you how we built it, what it looks like, and at the end, you can get it for yourself. I've also got a book called The Instant AI Agency, which details all of this cool stuff in there. So without further ado, I'm going to pass you over to Graham. He's going to show you what it's all about. I'll speak to you soon.
Hey guys, and welcome to this video on basically how to build a AI Android that can talk to anyone from any niche. So we use this basically for client acquisition. So we can just send out one link to any business. They can fill in a little form, which I'll show you now. Triggers an Android, which then they can have a demo chat with our AI bot. And it doesn't need to be changed for each niche. It's just totally dynamic. So let me just show you quickly how this works. So we'll have a page inside our high level, which looks like this. So you would send this link out to loads of different businesses, and they can go and test your bot. So they can put in their details like so. There we go. Let's pretend I'm in life insurance. Let's pretend I'm selling annuities. How do you spell annuities? Consent, and press test drive. So we click this. Now what's going to happen is it's going to create a contact inside our high level. And just let this load up. So I'm in there now. Now, what's going to happen is we've been added to a workflow that builds the qualification criteria for that industry, because it's saved the industry here. So it's got industry type and service or product. That's brought through into the ChatGPT prompt in the back end. And then it spits out the 4 criteria that they think is important for qualifying out this lead. So individual with dependents, individuals with stable income. So it's just doing 2, but you can do as many as you want. Sends out this message, basically, hi Graham, thanks for giving our ChatGPT sales Android a test drive. How it works, pretend you're a business who might buy from you. This is a demo bot which works for any industry. More customization is possible. So they start with the word start. So I'm just going to text that in. It should come through. So it's coming with engage with the bot. So that's all good. And we'll see if it sends one back out. Should start with sending out another message. Bear with. There we go. It's great. Let's get started. Are you an individual with dependents? Yes. So send a message back. And we'll see what it says back. Cool. Just come back through with, do you have a stable income? So I'm going to put yes. So it's still just demoing this bot to the client. And then after it's asked the 2 qualifying questions that are in here, you can do more. It's going to say, great to hear. Almost done here, experiment over. At this point, we'd instantly send the lead to your CRM or sales team, book a call on your calendar or live transfer the lead. Want to build an Android for free, drop me a message, and then this is where you would add your CTA. So that would be a booking link or a Facebook Messenger where you can go and chat, or an email, anything that you would want. And then basically, that's how you can get them to do a demo. This is a short demo. I've only got 2 in there at the moment, but if you wanted to do 4, 5, 6 questions, you can to make it a bit longer. But yeah, this is what was worked really well for us getting on clients. It gets them excited. We either do this or we demo it live on ChatGPT on a call. But this is a good way just to throw out a link on LinkedIn, get people to try it. You can get some of their information as well that way. And you only need 1 bot to do any niche ever. So I wouldn't be using this to actually fulfill for clients. This is purely just a demo to clients and for client acquisition. And then for when you're fulfilling for clients and doing this for clients, I would use our Prince Charming Android, which I can give you a link to the training on how to build that in the top right-hand corner of the screen right now. And if you're interested in how to build this, we have the full training over in our school group, which again, I'm going to pop this in the description and I'm going to pop it in the top right-hand corner just about now. And you can go to the classroom, got a lot of cool stuff in there, but the Any Niche Sales Android training is here. And it takes you through quite an in-depth training on how to build the back end, how to build the front end, troubleshoot, make sure it's working, get your pipelines ready, and all that cool fun stuff. So if you are interested, it's in the description. Give it a click. But yeah, guys, thanks a lot for watching. It does work really well. Thanks a lot. Cheers.
Okay, thank you, Graham. So if you are interested in finding out more about our Any Niche Android, then there'll be a link below where you can give it a whirl. I think there'll be a snapshot there as well you can use for yourself. I hope you enjoy it. We've also launched a new book. It's called The Instant AI Agency. And what we do there is teach how we can grab clients' old leads and old databases and turn them into sales using AI and SMS and get paid up to 50% of the profits as a result of all that good work. Okay, and there'll be a link to that below as well. I hope you've enjoyed the video today and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.